Hi team, there are a couple of things that you need to be careful of again when working with absolute value inequalities, just like we did with the equations. We want to watch for inequalities. Wow, that's pretty weak, isn't it? There we go. Look out for inequalities that are set to negative numbers. Okay, so for example, if we had the absolute value of 2x plus 3 less than, I don't know, negative 4, well, remember that absolute value means distance from 0. We will not have a distance less than a negative number. Those are only negative numbers. So this would be no solution. But if we had an example, let's say where we had, again, 2x plus 3, but it's greater than negative 4, well, all absolute values are going to be positive because it represents distance. All positive numbers are larger than negative 4, so this one would be all real numbers. So you can also write it in interval notation from negative infinity to infinity. But notice that both of these examples has the absolute value isolated before you make this decision. For example, if we had, I don't know, negative 7 plus the absolute value of x minus 3 less than a negative 2, even though we see that less than negative 2, we cannot say that there's no solution yet because we have not isolated the absolute value. Notice when we add the 7 to both sides, then that's going to leave us with our absolute value less than a positive number. And that one we can work out. Now we can do the as is and the opposite of the inside and find our solution, okay? So don't make this decision, the no solution or all real numbers, until after the absolute value is by itself. Hope that guys helps. Oh, I need some sleep. Hope that helps, guys. All right, there you go. We'll see you soon. Bye.